All right, hello everybody. Welcome to the Cooking Typical Hawaiian Style with your man Kikoman right here. And today we are cooking some oysters, fresh oysters. You can get these, purchase these at Foodland, $13.99. And we're gonna put these in the oven for approximately 10, 15, 20 minutes. What you wanna do is wait for it to open. So we put them in the oven at 450, temperature 450. You can preheat the oven if you want, yes or no. But approximately 10 to 15 minutes, 20 minutes maybe. But as soon as the oyster opens, that's when you know it's ready. Then you want to pull it out. All right, oysters is ready. It is opening up, opened up. As long as one or two is open, you know it's pretty much ready. But the other ones, we crack them open with the knife or butter knife, however you want. And let's move into that. So if it's not quite open, like that one's pretty open where you don't need a knife. This one's a knife. You just find the gap right in there, pop it open, twist with the knife. You don't really want to damage the knife, and pull it open. This one's nice and juicy. Got a nice sharp knife here. Clean it and cut it right off the edge. Keep the juice in there. Then from there, we're gonna add the sauce, the shoyu, and we'll get into that next. All right, okay, so the oyster's ready and cooked. We're gonna put some sauce on it. I'm gonna go with the first style. Some people like just shoyu. Aloha shoyu, Kikoman shoyu, whatever shoyu you want. Put a little shoyu over it. And some people like to squeeze the lime. Some people also want to use Tabasco on it. Shoyu Tabasco, shoyu lime Tabasco together. Let's put it all together. Squeeze the lime. Just a little bit. You can still use the lime. And some people just want to dab Tabasco. Depends how much spice you want. That's the first style right there. Have a spoon ready. Right on side. Scoop that bugger up. Get all the juices in there. And as you can see, for this oyster here, oh, it looks more like an opihi. Just kidding. Okay, so for the next one, Japanese style flavor oyster, you're gonna need some Japanese mayo, some yuzu, it's like a citrus flavor, awesome flavor, and the ponzu sauce in there. So no shoyu, this one is just a ponzu, Japanese mayo, and the yuzu, which gives it a nice, awesome citrus flavor. You don't want to put too much, just enough, depends how much you want, but that'll get it very juicy in there. And the ponzu. Got all that soak in the oyster juice. Scoop it up one time and have that it. Once again, mahalo for joining us on the Cooking Typical Hawaiian Style with Kikoman Cooking Show and oysters cooking at home. Let us know what you want us to cook next. DM inbox. I got you. See you soon. Aloha. Hui ho. Mm-hmm.